Hello everybody, welcome back to Ingridjoyaromas. Today I have an excited allergy reduction spray I want to show you. So guys, it is actually it's a room spray. So if you have some allergies and stuff like that, you can simply make this allergy oil and use it as a room spray. That is like magic, and this will also help you. Now, I'm no doctor or anything like that, but essential oil, and if you go and research it, there's studies done on these oils, and they are perfectly used and different things. Now, I'm going to be throwing up some information for you as well, and you can go ahead and see all these information. So I'm gonna be using some water here. I'm using the distilled water right now, but you can go ahead if you have hydrosol and use hydrosol. And hydrosol is so easy to make, guys. All you need is some peppermint, the leaf itself, and just give it a steam, like a small steam bath, and let it cool down and strain it, and there you get your hydrosol. Another way of doing it, if you have a rose garden and they smell lovely or whatever it is, even if it doesn't smell lovely, you can go ahead and make some hydrosol there as well. Just give it a simple little steam bath and let it cool, and again you can just strain it off and use it as your hydrosol. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna be dropping these oils. Like I said, if you missed the recipe, what I'm saying right now, you're going to be, I'm gonna throw it up on the screen for you. And guys, this is also kids safe. You can also use it around kids. If your kids have a little allergy, just give your room 1 or 2 spray and that should be fine. Also, there's different oil as well that are good for allergies. I'm gonna be throwing up them on the screen for you. And also these oils are pet safe, I think. Yes, it is pet safe. Just look it up just now. And you have eucalyptus is so good to use, guys. Really such good oil to use. And this have a shelf life of about 3 to 6 months. And I am not using any preservative in this room spray. All I'm doing is using the natural essential oil and the hydrosol, and the hydrosol should be good in this one. And like I said, because I'm making a small bottle here, I am just using distilled water. Just the sake of this video, I am just showing you how this is made. So I am making a small bottle. So if you think you are not going to be using or keeping this as long as you want, you can actually make small bottles and then use them within a week, and again you should be fine with water, tap water. If it's longer, I wouldn't suggest that you do that. And guys, you can see I have only 3 oils here that I'm using, and because I'm talking, I didn't get to show you what I was doing, but you can see here it's almost no oil at all in this bottle. And then what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna top it off with my distilled water. So I'm not filling it all the way up. I'm just gonna use this to just spray my room until it's done. I'm gonna spray it in the morning and evening because I'm pretty sure these oils are lovely as well, and maybe it will do me some benefit as well. I hope everyone's enjoying this video and take a good look at the recipe and try it out, guys. There is studies done and these oils as well. So as you can see, they are pretty good. All right, everyone, have a safe day, a lovely weekend, and please stay tuned for the other video. See you then.